Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome to the new followers and welcome back to existing followers. Man, camping is over. See, camping season is officially over. Just came back yesterday. And man, oh man, this was fun. This was a lot of fun. But, man, a little tired, man. We went to bed very late, very, very, very late. Too much drinking, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, sorry, guys. Let me just double check something that we're good here. Can anyone confirm in the chat that the sound is loud and clear? Plus, people that just joined, let me know where you guys coming from. Always curious to see where you guys coming from. And don't forget to smash the goddamn like button as you're coming in, guys. All right. All right, cool. So we're good to go. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's do this here. Perfect. Okay. So hopefully everyone had a great weekend. Had a great week of trading last week. Unfortunately, I was not able to do the Forex talk over beer on Thursday night because I was at the camping ground. Let me just check here. Uh, Robin, loud and clear. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna break down this morning. Yes, I'm gonna give you some trade ideas for the upcoming weeks, but also gonna break down USD the reason why I was in the trade before pretty much everyone, and the reason why I actually was able to take profit at the 3-2-1 plan that was planned at the beginning. So we stick to the plan. We enter exactly when we when we decided to enter. Plus, we also exited exactly where we wanted. Okay, so the plan was executed perfectly. So we're gonna break that down to the T, and also gonna give you some trade ideas for the upcoming. I kept a very 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 tiny small position in USD just because I think we still have juice. I'll let you know where I think price might go, and we'll see. But this is a tiny, 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 tiny position and stops at break even, so it's a no risk trade, right? So all right, so now let's jump into it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's jump into it. Let's put the banner here. There we go. And let's rock. Cool. Let's turn this camera a little bit. There we go. Whew, that chair, man. I need to go chair shopping for the past like 6 months. I've been saying that. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so let's start with GJ. Let's see where GJ at. I looked a little bit very quickly yesterday at the chart because obviously I was in the USD trade, took my profits, did couple chart update, but not much. So we'll go through it all together today. And all right, cool. So let's start with GJ. Okay, so GJ weekly time frame. We are bullish. Last week we closed as a doji. All right, so we already broke previous highs. So looks like this is going to be a booby trap candle, and we're going to be able to continue to the upside. We got clean traffic to the left. So if you look left here, we got no problem at all. So we should be able to pump it up. I'm not that interested in GJ though. I keep GJ year up here for people that's been following me just recently because it's my main pair for scalps. So that's pretty much the only pair I do scalp. We are still bearish though on the 4 hour time frame since July 24. We never created a new high since then, and yeah, so basically I don't really like GJ right now. The only thing I might be interested is on my dogtail setup at 9 a.m. Meaning I'm going to be waiting for this candle to close, let's say like this. I'm going to wait for the next candle to print the down wick, which is what I call the tail. And once we're going to be passing the high here, this is where I'm going to get my entry. I'm going to go grab like a 1-to-1 or 1.5-to-1 or 2-to-1, somewhere around there. But it's going to be a quick scalp in and out. So that's pretty much it for GJ. Now, all right. The famous USD What should I keep it for a little longer? Let's wait for people to jump in. Yeah, okay, you know what? Let's do GN first. Okay, let's do GN first. GN was on my watch list since last week. So let's see now where we at. So GN, we had the pullback exactly where we wanted at the weekly golden zone, a daily area of interest, perfect. We had like an engulfing candle here on September, but we never had like any possible entry. Daily is still bullish. We're just been ranging here. Let's take a look at 4 hour. All right, so that was it. That was it. There's the entry here, I guess. That was it. Because finally, if you look, H4, I'm just looking, H4 was bearish, right? Yeah, so H4 was bearish. Boom, boom, boom. This is nothing. Here we got a new lower low. Boom, boom. All right. And here we flip bullish. All right. Here, no possible entry, I'm pretty sure, because I remember we looked on the lower time frame. And I guess we never had another entry because we never added like a real pullback here. Let me just put the screen right here. And we finally have like a solid pullback here. We got double bottom right here, retest of the neckline, engulfing candle. Okay, we can write it up now, but the entry is gone. Let's go take a look at the lower time frame. 2 hour. Let's go take a look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour was bearish. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on, wait a second. I'm so visual, you know. So here we went bullish. We went back bearish. We went back bearish. We're still bearish. We're still bearish. And we finally flipped bullish. But we went straight back bearish. What the fuck? We're still bearish here. Still bearish. Still bearish. And now we're bullish. So I guess the entry was like somewhere in here tonight. Like during London session, I guess. Yeah, especially after this nice doji with a big ass rejection to the downside. That's going to give fuel to your next candle to push up. Let's go take a look on the 30-minute. Actually, let's update my chart first. So this is the new high. Here we go. High low. Perfect. And look at this. I'm pretty sure we are in that golden zone on the 1 hour. And look at this support form in the golden zone. Perfect. We're ready to push. 30-minute. 30-minute nice engulf. Fuck, the entry was right here at 5:30. 5:30 was the entry. Let's go take a 30-minute bull and 30-minute bull. Yeah, the entry was right here. So this is for learning purposes. Obviously, I'm not taking this right now because it's gone. I might be able to re-enter on this engulfing, but now we're going to be super close to this resistance. So I would be putting my stop under this minus 5 pips. So that means like 31 pips, and that will be the trade. Now let's go take a look if it makes sense on the left. Oh, that's perfect. We're actually at this H4 resistance. Let's take a look at the daily if we can extend that. Now daily resistance also right here. So yeah, so I guess that would be like a 2.5 or a 3 to 1. Yeah, man, this entry makes total sense right here. Yep. Now, even the 15-minute give you like a perfect entry too. 30-minute. The thing I don't like with this, something I told my students is like once we create a new high, technically price will come down, form a new high low. And the mission, not the mission, but technically the goal is to create a new high. But here we failed. We reject that level. So we failed on creating a new high. So this is where I don't like to re-enter here because here we failed on creating a new high. So I'm like, nah, you know. So yeah, I'm sure we're gonna have another opportunity that's gonna be better than this. But just for fun, I'm gonna leave it on the chart. I'm gonna write paper trade. I just want to see if it's gonna hit or not, just for learning purposes, you know, for all of you guys. Also myself, I like to see like if I was awake during the night, if I would have taken this trade, like would it work, right? So um alrighty, alrighty. By the way, guys, don't be shy. Ask any question in the chat. We're about to break down USD CHF massive trade. So I think I'm gonna do another pair, and we're gonna jump onto USD CHF. And this here was my ultimate target, but we'll talk about that. Let's do into the USD. See what we have. So entity USD, we are bearish. Yes, we are bearish on the weekly. Move is slowing down. We got a smaller body candle. Looks like we printed the down wick now. We're respecting previous low. Daily is bearish, and this is where I'm expecting the pullback either here as an option 1 or option 2. We're gonna go at that daily golden zone to continue down. So we're gonna have 2 options here. I personally don't like those small pullbacks. Sometimes make when it does make sense, I do enter them, but rarely. So entity USD, I would be patient with this one. Let me just check something very quickly. Daily area of interest, we kind of like almost reach it. Don't forget, that's the other thing also. Same thing I'm going to tell you with USD CHF when I'm going to go break it down like in just a minute or so. Those areas, don't forget, guys, don't be like mentally like fucked with this, because those are areas. Let me put this desk. I need to wake up. Okay. What's going on? All right. Man, this office is getting warm right now. Let me close the heat system. Chérie, peux-tu rentrer les chiens après? Jenny, sortir. Sorry, guys, the doggy wanted to go outside also. Okay, so yeah, what I was about to say is don't be stubborn with those areas and say it didn't reach my area. Guys, those are areas. Yeah, it doesn't have to reach the exact line, you know. This one is kind of a little bit short though, but if you look at this wick, we kind of touched this support. We rejected this level. Every area where those wick were rejected is exactly the same place as this wick got rejected. Which is also like, if I'm not wrong, isn't like, oh no, I thought it was a QP. 61 is a QP, okay. So yeah. So anyways, so I'm gonna tell you the same thing with USD CHF in just a minute or so. Okay. So now let's see. So yeah, I would be patient, especially that now H4 has been like just ranging over here. So yeah, I'll wait for NZD USD. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get this real pullback. I just don't like those. The only thing that make me think that we're gonna go down is this daily candle as no top wick, meaning that there's less probability for price to continue to the upside, right? And we see this rejection. But at the same time, if I'm taking this trade like here, we're super close to this daily support. So for me, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't give me enough room. So let's move on. I'm still going to be keeping this trade up here because, I mean, this still makes sense. I'm expecting this pullback. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see where it goes. All right, so let's break it down USD CHF. Right, man, can we get some likes on the board, please? Man, guys, what's going on? I will drop the likes, right? All right, let's break down USD CHF, okay? Because I didn't have the chance to break it down on Forex Stock Overview, and this one was a pretty good trade, pretty happy with it. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so first thing first, we need to understand that The weekly is bearish. Okay, so price went down here. We are bearish. We are bearish on the weekly time frame, but I'm expecting a pullback around this area to continue down. All right, so I did a counter trend trade against the weekly. It was supposed to be a day trade, like maybe a 1 day or two max. Give me 1 sec here, guys. Oh, sorry. I thought it was the wifey was coming to say bye, but that was the doggy that said, "Yo, Dad, I'm hungry." Okay, so let's focus back. So yes, so I basically was doing like a the plan was to do a day trade. It turned out into fucking like a swing trade that I've been holding for a week. Oh well, it is what it is. So this was supposed to be my ultimate TP, and this is why I kept a small position, especially that this week, this week we broke previous high. So there's a big probability we're going to continue to the upside to this area, or we're going to be rejecting this daily. I don't call that, for me, that there's no elbow there, but this level here has been rejected in the past also, if you see to the left side. But I'm pretty sure we're going to reach that weekly golden zone. So now what about the daily? Okay, so now the daily was bullish, obviously, when I took the trade. The main thing is we got out of, let me grab this arrow. We got out of this massive range here that was like just jammed into it. So we finally broke above. We came down to retest this level, right? Yes, I know we're missing like a couple pips here, but doesn't matter because those are areas. What happened, like, if I move this area to, this resistance, to this resistance, to this resistance, to this support? Oh, fine. It now reach, right? So who cares? Those are just areas, okay? So that was like enough for me to take this trade because we rejected this area, right? And it makes sense. It makes total sense. And we had support formed, right? So everything made sense. So now, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame went bullish. And what happened? A lot of people was waiting to go actually lower, but when you look at your structure on H4, we create a new high here. We had your higher low here, so you can use your fib friend and know that pullback has been happened, and we established support inside that H4 golden zone that that most of the time price will fucking reject this area, right? And it did, which it also was rejecting previous structure on H4, right? Look at all those weight. They all rejected previous structure on H4 also, right? So, I mean, what else do you need, guys? All right. What else do you need? You don't need anything else. Okay. So now let's go see what happened on the lower time frame. So on H1, we had the same structure on H1, right? Sorry, guys. So we had the same structure on H1. Everything in between those 2 points was just bullish structure, right? So we finally had this pullback, and we had this super nice engulfing candle on H1. But I took the trade on a 30-minute, if I'm not wrong, right? Yes, correct. Oh, yeah. I remember what happened here. So what happened here is I was supposed to enter right here at the opening of this candle. It was either on, yeah, it was on the 30-minute, right? I was supposed to enter right here. I don't know why my magic key, because I never really used recently USD CHF, I guess. So I pulled out a new chart on my MT4. I thought my magic key was in sync. It was not working. So I was panicking. I was like, shit, I need to enter this trade, So I had to enter manually. Yeah, anyways. So ending up having 2 position because I miscalculated my lot size like a retard, but whatever. So that's why one of my entry was right here. 80 85 565 was 85 565. Where the fuck is this? 85. Okay, so that's my That's my second inch. Yeah, my first entry. Sorry, my first entry. And when I read, oh yeah, the black line is the other one, right? Yeah. Does that make sense? Yeah, I put it on a chart. I think. Hold on, give me 1 sec. Let me go see the position that is closed. USDCHF. Where are you? 85,576. Is that right? 85. Yeah, okay, cool. So the black line, when I realized my lot size was wrong, that's where I had another position, the black line here. So I was a couple pips lower than what I wanted because I was supposed to enter like right at the close here, which is like 4 pips. So nothing dramatic, nothing dramatic. Fuck, this is hard to say for a Frenchman. For a Frenchman. So it was not the end of the world, but did enter right there. Put my stop under the structure, 5 pips under, and look at this, man. Whew. This thing, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, shit. When I was down here, I was like, fuck, that sucks. But respecting the game plan, of course, this was a more aggressive stop. Technically, to play safe, I should have placed my stop under this structure. Would have been like 5 pips under, whatever. I don't see the pip count right now, but whatever. So a couple pips under. So that would be like, let me zoom out. What the fuck? So that would have been like a 49 pip stop loss. So that would be like a little big here. Nothing crazy. What the fuck, man? Here we go. Okay, cool. Sorry, guys. So yeah. So anyways, we yesterday finally reached TP after like almost a week because I enter like right here. That was like on Monday. Oh, it was on Monday. I thought it was on Tuesday. So anyways, enter on Monday and exited. So that was exactly 1 week. So and that TP was right here. Exited like right on the dot, dude. That's crazy. Like that is fucking crazy. Um, yeah. Okay. So now we're having like a small pullback. We retested previous structure here on H4. So yeah, I still think we got a little bit of juice. So that's why I kept it like a small position. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily though did respect previous highs so far. But we got clean traffic to the left. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a little bit more juice in this one. So 87 major QP would be like probably like where I'm gonna exit that tiny position I got left. So let me mark it down. Actually, let's put an alert. Let's put it just a little bit under here. 800, just before 900. So let's see. Let's do this. Ultimate TP reached. Perfect. So we'll see. I think I put my ultimate TP though. Did I put this TP in? Oh, I put it at 87,400. Oh yeah, that's way back. But I'm gonna close this manually right here because I still think we're gonna reach this, daily resistance here. But yeah, I'm gonna close it manually. When I reach this alert, close that last position manually. Okay, so let's see the chat, man. I've been talking and forgot about the chat is quiet. You guys are quiet this morning. What's going on, man? Euro AUD by this morning. By this morning, 30-minute H1. What do you think? All right, well, let's go check it out. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's go check it out. Euro AUD. Where are you, dude? Euro AUD. All right, here. There we go. Okay, let's go take a look. So let's start with the weekly. Weekly is bullish. So we are bullish since June 2023. So that's sometimes I really don't like this. Like it's been more than a year that I've been trapped into this, area, which sucks. Let's take a look at the daily though. Daily, we finally had it broke down. We got the retest. Oh, that looks good though. On the daily is clean. Daily is super clean. We got a nice date engulfing here. All right. Have we reached 382? Yeah, we actually rejected the golden zone in 382. Okay. H4. Okay, so now H4 was bearish here. So okay, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so now we went bullish from here to here. And now we are bearish from here to here. And now back bullish. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, so right now selling here would be a little bit dangerous. I mean buying, what did I just say? Selling here would, oh, you bought? Wait a minute. Did I miss something? We're bullish on the weekly and we're bearish on the daily. We are bullish on the, yeah. So right now there's nothing you can do basically. Depends if you're scalping, but here on a day trade or swing, I would wait. For me, the alert will be like right here for now. And I would say H4 going bearish. So if I got this and I got my daily bearish, yeah, if I got my, I can do a day trade, you know, but not my favorite, obviously, but makes sense, you know, because now I'm gonna have my daily, my H4 in sync. Right now, you got nothing in sync. You know, your 4 hour, your daily, and your weekly are not in sync. 1 hour. Let's take a look at 1 hour just for fun. Right now, 1 hour. So we went bearish here. Boom, boom, boom. We went bullish. Bearish. And now bullish. Okay. So at least your H1 is bullish. I don't know when you bought. But let's say you bought here. Okay, let's say you bought here after this engulfing. Your problem now is look there. You know, you're right at this like H1 because now I'm thinking that you're scalping, right? Because you got none of your higher time frame in sync. So if you're scalping, the problem is let's say you enter there. Um, let's say you enter there. Now you got like 20 pips, you know, before your resistance, and your stop has to be like at least 35 pips, you know. Um, so you're at a high. So I mean you're super close to that higher high at that moment, right? Um, so yeah, I don't think that's super safe to be honest. 30 minute. Where's my other line here? So 30 minute, one bullish here, bearish, boom, 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 bearish, bullish, bullish. Okay. So here we're bullish. Now we're having the pullback. Okay. So if you're scalping and now you've got support form, you're in that, probably you're in that golden zone now. Yeah, right on in that golden zone. And you got support form. I mean, you can scalp it maybe. Not that I would be interested in it. There's way too much shit on the left side. I mean, like, look at all those, all that mess here to the left. Fuck no, not for me. Yeah, not for me, dude. Sorry. So let's take a look at another pair. We got GA. GA was looking pretty decent, if I'm not wrong. Oh, we passed this area like there's no tomorrow. So this area got destroyed, so we're gonna remove it. Let's find another area. Let's see. No area, no area, no area. Nope, nothing on the weekly. What about the daily? Daily, definitely support. You know, resistance. Yeah, this area is pretty solid. We passed this daily golden zone. So let's remove this. And I'm thinking we're gonna get this full pullback on the weekly golden zone. That would be actually best. Because we know when we reach those, yeah, we're right in it right now. We're right in that weekly golden zone now. So yeah, I mean GA looking decent. Not ready yet though. Weekly golden zone. Let's remove this. Um, yeah, weekly golden zone. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is still bearish. 4 hour. So 4 hour needs to go bearish now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move this, and I'm gonna place an alert here. That's gonna say H4 going bearish. There we go. We are good. Let's go check EuroCAD. EuroCAD weekly time frame. We are bearish. We are bearish on the daily. Kind of destroy. No, not destroy. Now we form resistance with the doji here on the daily. So that looks pretty good. We'll see what happened today. We're obviously this pair is not ready, but it's setting up as we speak. So yo, daily, weekly bearish, daily bearish. 4 hour is bullish right now, and I placed my alert right here, just waiting to go bearish, right? So yeah, waiting for the same shit. 80 CAD, let's take a look here. Was saying waiting for high low potential, so let's take it out. Not take it out, I mean take a look at it. Sorry. We got a pullback, daily area of interest, previous structure in the weekly golden zone. All right. Daily bullish. What? Oh man, this was borderline. We almost broke that structure. We're daily, but now this doing the same thing as what we were looking previously, like this. Now we got a nice pullback, very deep though, very close to break the structure. And look at this here, we've just formed resistance and we failed on creating a new high. So the only thing is maybe this candle right here is going to be a booby trap candle, and this one's going to be closing bullish, and we'll keep continuing, which is going to be great. H4 right now is bearish. And yeah, I just no, I don't like this anymore. So I'm just gonna remove it. For now, whatever. EuroCAD, we just talked about it. Euro GPY, weekly, bullish, and now I'm just expecting this pullback now. And I should put it blue because it's clearly not ready. So let's put it blue. But looks nice. Waiting for the pullback. Daily, yeah. Man, we got the daily golden zone and the weekly area of interest in seeing exact same place. We got a major QP at 160. So yeah, clearly waiting for this now. I mean, yeah, so not ready yet. EuroCAD, we just did it. CAD GPY. CAD GPY, we are bullish on the weekly. And now we got this pullback at the daily area of interest. Let's go take a look. But last week closed bearish, so I didn't update this chart. So that means that now we can use our weekly golden zone, which should be pretty much around the same area if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Yeah, no, our daily area is at the 382. So okay. On the weekly. So I'm going to keep that right now. And if we need to modify it, we'll modify it. What is those alert? At daily area of interest and at daily golden zone. Okay, perfect. So we are reaching now this daily area of interest. And we are bullish here. And so far we got 3 time frame in sync, but obviously I'm expecting now this H4 to go bearish, So this should be doing something, whatever, something like this. We're gonna break above here, retest structure to continue to the upside. Okay, so not ready yet, so I'm clearly gonna put it blue. I don't know why it was green, but even those I need to switch some colors, but whatever. CHF GPY. We got a weekly here. Weekly, let's update this. We got a new high on CHF GPY. Daily, I mean, we're clearly not ready. Let's put this blue. What the fuck's going on with me? So here, yeah. So, I mean, the plan's pretty simple. Waiting for that. Okay. CAD GPY, we just did it. Euro GPY, we just did it. Euro GBP, what about Euro GBP? Weekly bearish, and we're about to create a new lower low here. So we had that pullback on the day golden zone though. Like, I'm guessing the 4 hour. Oh yeah, okay. Because the 4 hour is still bullish, so I cannot sell. Yeah. So you see, even if all the rest made sense, I mean H4 is still bullish, so can't do shit. So I'm gonna have to wait. NZD weekly is bearish, and this we've been waiting for a while. I've been waiting for like since August, So now got this pullback. Oops. Sorry guys. Don't know what's going on here. Okay, perfect. So we got the pullback at this weekly golden zone, which is also a weekly area of interest. Nice rejection, nice weekly engulfing. Everything made sense, right? If you look at the daily makes sense also. We got a nice engulfing here. Everything made sense, okay? But H4 still, H4 was, hold on, wait a second. Oh yeah, because daily was bullish. Yeah, we just flipped bearish now. Yeah, by breaking under this support. Because here we had an elbow, right? Boom, straight up, and we just break under. So we just flipped bearish now. Now we're having this pullback. Okay, great. So what about H4 now? So H4 is still bearish. Okay. What about H1? H1 is bearish. Okay, I think NZD-CHF, we're going to flip that green. What about the 30-minute? 30-minute is also bearish. What time is it now? 8:13. Okay, so let's recap this. So we got the pullback at the weekly golden zone. We reject weekly area of interest. Okay, great. That's good. What about support here? Okay, daily is bearish. We got a retest of the zone, but daily at the moment, yes, the structure is bearish, but we didn't form resistance yet. Let me see here. Oops, wrong tool. All right, we're at 3.2. Okay, so that's that's decent. 4 hour. 4 hour has a super strong pullback here. Last candle was engulfing. 1 hour. All right. 1 hour is bearish. Yeah, I mean, if I get like an engulfing 30 minutes here, I'll be willing to take it, but I will not put like 3% in that one. And the reason I would probably go like 1% or 1.5. The reason is why I feel like this pullback here on the day is not done. But this is a solid area though. Resistance, support, resistance. We respected previous high. So yeah, you know what? I think I'll go with 1.5% here risk. So this closing like in 15 minutes. So let me just pull out NZD CHF on my MT4. Hello. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Bonne journée. Sorry, guys. Okay, so yeah, let me pull this NZD CHF. I don't think I have it already on my MT4. I think I have to create it, right? And hopefully I don't do the same mistake as previously with USD CHF. Okay, so NZD CHF, where you're here. Perfect. Yeah, bear with me, guys. Give me like 1 minute and this will be set up. Template, load template. Yeah, I'm talking to myself a lot. I'm guessing that's new. Template 2024, I'm guessing. And let's do this. Load money setup. Or maybe. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'm almost done. Trading. Oh, that's it. Load. Oh, shit. Good mistake. What you want, dog? Trading. New. I'm guessing it's money set. Money set. That should be it. Okay. So now let's see if this magic key works. Open cap. There we go. Okay, so at least I'm able to open cap. Now, question, because last time I don't know why I was not able to enter the trade, but we'll see. We'll see when this happens. So let's go M30 and properties, common, scale fix. There we go. Okay, sorry guys. So my MT4 is ready. So we'll see. This close in like 12 minutes. Yeah, looks decent. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Let's do open calc. Percentage. Boom. Boom. Alrighty. Switch. That's gonna be a sell. Stop loss is gonna be above here. 5 pips more. So it's gonna be 10. There we go. Okay, so let's say that I sell here. That would be, let's say close here. Just for an idea, I'm gonna put my stop under here plus 5 pips. So plus 5, that would be like 11. Holy fuck. Yeah, you know what? Let's put it above this structure here. That's gonna be enough. Because if it goes there, let's go take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah. I mean, if I close, yeah. Because if we go above that 1 hour structure, we're gonna be bullish now. So I'm gonna be totally wrong. So Let's say, so here what, yeah, that's 11 pips. Fuck, that's that. Whoa. Yeah, no. Okay, so let's do like 3 pips more. Let's do 9. Fuck, even 8. Yeah, that's big enough. Sorry, that was random. Like that pair, like those pip count, different. So let's go take a look at the 30-minute. I don't know how it's gonna close. Needs to close engulfing. Let's go. Let's get back to it. We'll go see another pair. Meanwhile, Euro GBP. I think we just broke it down, right? Yeah. Right now we're just creating a new logo, so I can do shit here. So let's remove this. GCAD. And guys, if you have any other pair you want to take a look at, let me know. Weekly, nice pullback in that weekly golden zone. We are bullish. Daily is, yeah, that's why I was not able to do anything yet. So waiting for the day to go bullish. And the rest, I don't know. The rest, I'm going to take a look very quickly. No. Yeah, no, we already talked about that one. USD You see, I was waiting for the pullback here, and look like we reached our pullback with this doji now. We did broke previous high, so let's on the daily. Hold on. All right, so daily is still bullish. We're gonna need the day to go bearish, so yeah, gotta wait. GBP look at all those again. That's horrible. Weekly's clean though. The day's a mess. Holy shit. Yeah, no, no, thank you. NZD, whoa, NZD I feel like puking. Like every time I see a range like this, it's just like, eh, what do you want me to do with this? Euro AUD, we just talked about that one. AUD USD, weekly bearish since more than 2 years, August 2022. That's fun. What about the daily? Is the daily clean? Daily is, no. GU, horrible. NZD CAD, weekly, NZD CAD. This one's even worse. This one's like October. It's gonna be 2 years also for NZD CAD. October 2022. That's exactly 2 years. Fuck. What about the daily? Ugh, disgusting. Okay, ADGPY, disgusting. Euro NZD. We just flipped bullish here. Hold on. Daily. Let's go take a look at the weekly. Weekly, we're bullish. We have a pullback. Daily is also bullish. We a couple of days ago, we flipped bullish. We came down to retest the structure to the left, which is also a daily area of interest. Let's mark it down. So daily area of interest. What about we are at the 382. The golden zone is way down here, which is also in sync if you look left with your previous structure. The golden zone. Okay. H4 now is bullish. Interesting. Man, with this indication here, I feel like we're gonna have a move down now because look at this rejection here to the upside. And we already broke previous high here. So, I mean, odds are pretty in the favor for price for continuation to the downside. So, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we reach a daily golden zone now. I'm actually going to place an alert. Yeah, this pair is not ready, but clearly going to move it up the rank. Actually, I'm going to flag it blue because I'm going to keep a track on it. What else? ADGPY. Yeah, we just create new high. We're not ready. Not ugh. ADCHF. No. CAD CHF. ADU NZD. What the fuck? Holy shit. Another one that's been like doing nothing for 2 years. Fuck it. And the infamous gold. All right, so the infamous gold is bullish on the weekly. Daily. I don't trade gold, by the way. Look at this. That's something with gold, though. Gold respect this structure so well. Like, wow. We are now bearish on H4. Well, Jesus. H4, lower low, and H4, lower high. But nothing here. All right, let's go back to what time is it? Oh, we got 3 minutes left. NZDCHF. NZDCHF. Was it the one? Hold on. Yeah, NZDCHF. 30 minutes. Looks like we're gonna be able to enter here. So we got 2 minutes left. For once, I'm gonna be able to enter a trade live. That's exciting. Like back then when I was streaming, I was mostly like scalping, so I was always taking trade live. But now these days it's more rare, right? Because swing or day trade, yeah, most of the time the entry will happen when I'm offline, unfortunately. But now it looks like we're gonna have a decent opportunity here. So just hope that this setup on Magic Key works now. And we got so much time we got. We got 1 minute and 40 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Let's see. Sharif, ça va bien et toi? Ça va très très bien. Très bien, mon ami. About to enter a trade. And after that, I'm going to close this because running late now. So I'm just waiting for you. If it wasn't for you guys, I would be already gone because I got shit to do. But let's wait an extra minute. See if I'm going to be entering this trade or not. Let's go NZD. Let's go NZD. Actually, in this case, I should cheer for CHF. Oh fuck, my other CHF pair, I'm going up. But doesn't matter. Like I love people when they put like a CHF pair against another CHF pair, like they should both go down. No, guys. Why? Your NZD or USD can be stronger, or weaker than the other pair. Those are two different scenarios. I like when people say they should go in the same direction. No, it's two different universe. So yeah. The only reason why they would go the exact same directions, because let's say CHF pair was like very super extremely strong that no other pair can beat it. So yes, of course, all the CHF pairs going to go in the same direction, right? But if they're just like normal, all right, I'm entering now. All right, it worked. So got my position in. What's the exact entry? Oh, fuck. Is this new? Do we have news today? Shit, I didn't look. Hold on. That was last week. Which date are we? Completely forgot to look because now this price pumping like there's no tomorrow. I completely forgot to look. Shit. Sometime I'm done. Which date are we? We're the 15th. Tuesday. Oh fuck. We got CPI. Oh, CPI for CAD. Shouldn't affect shit for this pair. NZD, GD, yeah, price index. Okay, that's good. Oh, tonight we got NZD CPI. Oh, fuck me. Oh, well. Hopefully we can hit DP before. Oh, well. It is what it is. But CPI for, NZD is not that crazy. It's volume, but not crazy. All right. So what's my exact entry with spread? My exact entry with spread is 0.52495. 52495. Is that right? 495. Correct. Stop loss is 52606. Stop loss is 52606. Perfect. So TP, we're going to be looking at something like this. Let's see. Do we have room on the daily? Oh, we're going to be right at this daily support. So I might close a little bit before 321. So we'll be keeping an eye on it. Yeah, should be good. But like I said, I risked like 1.5% on this one. I was not ready to go at 3. And the reason why is because this daily, like, I don't know. I feel like I still, like, even if I took the sell, I have a feeling we're going to see like a bigger pullback, like somewhere, like maybe somewhere around here, around this golden zone before coming back down. But it's okay because if it does, it's okay. I'm going to be losing 1.5, and this is going to be exactly the spot where I want it. And this is where I'm going to be using my regular risk, which is 3%. So we'll see. But that's why I reduced my risk in this entry. I already called it before. But we'll see what happened. We'll see what happened. All right, guys. So that's it, man. Let's set and forget, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching today and this morning. I'll be on again, sorry, on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer, 6 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, 6 p.m. Eastern. God damn, man. I'll have a hard time with my schedule right now. So Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you for Forex Talk Over Beer. Thank you again so much for watching, and trade safe, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Peace out.